welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we will be seeing observer design pattern. Before starting, let's know why do we need observer design pattern. So you have seen scenarios like whenever you open Amazon and you try to order something and you see that, oh, it is out of stock. So, and if you want that product, what you do is you click on notify me option. Okay, so that says that as soon as that product comes in stock, you will get a notification. So what is that? That is obviously a trigger which is telling to do some operation based on some other operation. Okay, so design. So if we want to design such thing, we need observer design pattern. Let's see what do we need to do in observer design pattern. So in observer design pattern, what we have is one observer and one observable. Okay, so this observable will tell us that, okay, we are observing these scenarios, and based on that, it will trigger our observers. Okay, let's suppose our observers can be of notifications, so it can be of email notification, SMS notification, and so on, or any other operation for that matter. Observer will is a class which take list of observers. Okay, and we can add as many observer we want and remove them. And as soon as its notify function will call, it will do a loop on all the observers it has and call their notify functions. For in case of Amazon, what we'll see is, let's suppose there's an inventory update interface. Okay, so this interface will help us just to update our inventories. We will give them observable object also. And if suppose there is one specific iPhone we want to update inventory of, so we'll create a class for that iPhone update inventory update class, um, and we'll implement inventory update interface here. And this, as soon as that update operation performs, it will call the notify function of our observable. Okay, and our observable will loop on all the observers or observing that iPhone update operation, and based on that, it will send all the notification needed. So in this case, uh, our trigger is stock update is coming in stock, and the actions performed are sending notification. So if we want to design these kind of things, we need observer patterns. So in short, you can say if we want to do some trigger operations, then we need observer design pattern. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you want me to create video on any other design patterns.